Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the Survival Multitool in Subnautica 2. So first of all, we'll need to gather some titanium. This can be done by going inside of the beginning biome and searching the ground for some titanium nodes, which are mostly located on these rock formations. Also, another option is to search the bases like this one for metal salvage, which you can then craft into 4 titanium inside of a fabricator. Once you've gathered 3 times titanium, you want to go into the fabricator, which is located inside of the life pod, and here you'll see the survival multitool, on which you'll need 3 times titanium. So you can go ahead and craft it, and this is pretty much all how to get the survival multitool in Subnautica 2. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.